Good morning. Nothing really new or different to report. I started trying to sleep at, I guess, 2 in the morning or so. I haven't had any sleep because I was coughing all night. Just kept coughing. And I keep trying to make this video just to update on my medical condition. Not able to sleep. But I keep sort of nodding off in the middle of the sentence with this video, so I've been able to breathe a little better sitting up like this, but I'm so exhausted. I can't do many more nights like this. No sleep. I keep trying to make this video without falling asleep in the middle of it. I guess I'm going to try to lie down some more. Wish I could sleep.